Have you ever wondered what happens to millions of dead phone, laptop, and electric vehicle batteries after they're thrown away? Most people think they're simply dumped into landfills, but that's not only wrong, it's incredibly dangerous. A single damaged lithium-ion battery can burst into flames without warning. Yet every day, giant recycling factories safely transform these dangerous batteries into valuable metals worth millions of dollars. The technology behind this process is nothing short of incredible. The journey begins at battery collection centers across the country. Used batteries arrive from homes, electronics stores, recycling programs, factories, and electric vehicles. Every battery is treated as hazardous because even an old battery can still hold enough energy to start a fire. Before recycling begins, workers carefully inspect every battery by size, chemistry, and condition using advanced automated systems. Inside the factory, safety comes first. Robotic machines discharge any remaining electricity from the batteries before they move to the next stage. This prevents dangerous sparks, explosions, and fires during processing. Powerful sensors constantly monitor temperature, voltage, and gas levels to keep the facility safe 24 hours a day. Here's something amazing. Modern lithium-ion batteries contain valuable materials like lithium, cobalt, nickel, copper, aluminum, and graphite. Recovering these materials reduces mining and saves enormous amounts of energy while helping build the next generation of batteries. Now comes one of the most satisfying parts of the entire process. The discharged batteries move into giant industrial shredders protected inside oxygen-controlled chambers. Massive rotating steel blades tear thousands of batteries into tiny pieces while preventing dangerous chemical reactions. Powerful ventilation systems safely capture dust and gases before they can escape. The shredded material travels across vibrating conveyor belts where powerful magnets instantly remove steel components. Advanced air separators divide lightweight plastic from heavier metals. High-tech screening systems continue separating different materials with incredible precision until only valuable minerals remain. Next comes the most fascinating stage. The remaining material, often called black mass, contains lithium, cobalt, nickel, manganese, and graphite. This black powder enters advanced chemical processing systems where carefully controlled solutions dissolve valuable metals one by one. Every stage is monitored by computers to maximize recovery while minimizing waste. Here's another incredible fact. Some modern recycling plants recover more than 95% of the valuable metals inside lithium-ion batteries. Those recovered materials can be used to manufacture brand new batteries, creating a powerful recycling loop that reduces the need for new mining. After purification, each metal is dried into fine powders or formed into high-purity compounds ready for battery manufacturers. Laboratories perform strict quality tests to ensure every material meets industry standards. Even tiny impurities can affect battery performance, so precision is everything. Finally, these recovered materials leave the factory and travel to battery manufacturing plants, where they become part of new batteries powering electric vehicles, smartphones, laptops, power tools, and renewable energy storage systems. What once seemed like dangerous electronic waste is transformed into valuable resources that help power the future. It's incredible to think that a dead battery sitting inside an old drawer can begin an extraordinary journey through giant machines, advanced chemistry, and cutting-edge factories before becoming part of a brand new electric vehicle or smartphone. Now here's a question for you. Did you know an old lithium-ion battery contains valuable metals that can be recovered and reused instead of being wasted? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy giant factory machines, advanced manufacturing technology, and incredible recycling processes, subscribe for more documentary-style videos revealing how the world's most amazing factories transform everyday waste into valuable new products.